2017, the European premier event for entertainment and media professionals.
An event that in 2016 attracted more than 55,000 attendees from over 159 countries for the conference and exhibition.
1,600 companies are jostling for space in the packed halls of the RAI.
I'm Vanessa Ray with Jamie from Adder here at IBC 2017. How's it going, Jamie?
Very good, thank you. Yeah, very good.
Great. So can you give me a history and an overview of Adder as a company and its evolution?
Yeah, of course. So the business is 33 years old, founded in 1984. Originally a publishing company, it evolved into a technology business, and over really the last 20 years it's been one of the leaders in the KVM market, developing originally KVM switches and then a lot of growth through the KVM extender ranges that we launched, the X series range, which are now famous amongst our customer base.
Speaking of soon to be famous, what are you highlighting here at the show?
Yeah, so we're leading with our IP matrix technologies. So we've got both our proprietary DDX solutions, our Infinity solution, which is a well-known brand in the broadcast market, and then we've got our new XDIP product as well, which is new to the show. We launched it earlier in the year, and again, taking our IP technologies into the KVM market. The idea of the XDIP technology is basically that we'll have both an extender and matrix product in one box. So we have a single device which can be configured as a transmitter or receiver on site, so the customer just buys one unit and configures it in the field, and then by pairing two together you create an extender, and as you pair more and more onto the same network, then ultimately you build a matrix. So you have a number of inputs and outputs which can then be switched. On the stand here we're demoing the very low latency between the local screen, which is output directly from the computer, and then the receiver connection, which is coming across the network. And there's absolutely minimal latency between the two. In addition, we're then showing the switching capability. So here we bring up our menu. We can choose any number of machines from the display here. And when we switch and connect, we're then in control of a completely different machine, which could be somewhere else in the facility. So really flexible, really lightweight, really quick for the users to operate.
Where do you see the future going for this sector and for Adder in general?
Well, we're absolutely seeing growth in the broadcast market, so more adoption of computers, more flexibility required in broadcast environments as businesses look to be more efficient with the way that they use people. And KVM allows them to do that a lot, whether it be TV, radio or post-production environments. In terms of within our industry and inside the KVM market, we still feel that IP is absolutely the way we're going. That's being validated every day at the show here. We're seeing more and more technologies move to IP-centric switching technologies. And of course, we've been doing that for 7 or so years now already. So we've got a really good backbone in our own business about how to manage those systems, how to deploy those systems. So our experience there is really paying off.
Fantastic. Experience is great, right?
Yeah,
it always helps with making sure that you know what your customers' needs are and being able to give them those solutions.
Yeah, of course. It doesn't just come down to the technology. It's also about the way that you deploy the system, how you use the system, and of course we're seeing, I think we've seen the convergence of IT and AV technologies and broadcast technologies over the last few years to the point where they're now standard. So yeah, we're very confident in what we're able to deliver in the marketplace at the moment in reliability and resilience of the technology, and also the way that the systems are being deployed. They're absolutely giving value back to the customer.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Jamie. And where can people get more information about Adder?
So best place is the website, which is www.adder.com, or come and see us here at IBC, of course.